We are still tracking the case of a missing 11-year-old North Carolina girl. Madalina Cojocari's mother and stepfather have now been indicted by a grand jury for failing to report her disappearance. Madalina's parents say the last time they saw her was November 23rd, but they didn't report her missing until 3 weeks later. A North Carolina judge ruling just yesterday to seal search warrants connected to this case, saying the release of the warrants could interfere with detectives' ability to recover additional information and reveal detailed information to the public. Robin Kennedy with our Charlotte affiliate WJZY is live for us. Robin, thank you for being here. What is the latest on the search for Madalina?
Yeah, Nichole, as you said, that grand jury indictment, it just came down this week in the case of missing 11-year-old Madalina Cojocari. Her parents, her stepfather, and her mother were indicted by a grand jury here in Mecklenburg County in Charlotte, North Carolina, for not reporting her missing to law enforcement. Now, Madalina had been missing for 3 weeks before her mother finally said that she had not seen her. And that was because she got pressure from school officials, the school resource officer and the school guidance counselor. They went to the parents' house and no one came to the door. And then Madalina's mom said she'd show up with her at school, but she did not. And that's when she finally admitted she hadn't seen Madalina in more than 3 weeks.
Yeah, and still no signs of her. Robin, talk about the judge's reasoning for sealing the search warrants connected to this case.
Yeah, Nichole, they wanted 3 things out of these search warrants. They searched the parents' house in Cornelius. It's about 20 miles from Charlotte. And so there was a search warrant connected to that. Also to the stepfather, Christopher Palmer's cell phone. They did a search warrant for that, as well as the phone records for both Madalina's mom and her stepfather. And the reason that the judge said that she wanted that sealed, to keep that away from the public was because of all this media attention on this case. As you can imagine, she said that actually does interfere with the mom and the stepfather's rights to a fair trial. And also it hinders law enforcement's ability to really be able to talk with people and get untainted information that's not yet out there in the public. So they want to be able to do their job, and it really ultimately hinders finding Madalina, and that was the ultimate reason for the judge's decision.
And Robin, we don't have much time, but I want to ask you, her mother and stepfather, we know they're in custody, but their arrest really likely stemmed from a North Carolina law that has to do with Casey Anthony.
Yeah, that's right. Remember Casey Anthony's daughter, Kaylee. It was a month that went by before she was reported missing. And ultimately, Casey Anthony acquitted of her little girl, Kaylee's murder in Florida, in Orlando, years ago. And then I talked with a state lawmaker here in North Carolina. And once that case went through in Florida and Casey Anthony was acquitted, he tells me he was getting phone calls, people just outraged over what happened in Florida, and then also just concerned and wanting to help missing children here in North Carolina. So he got a law passed that makes it a felony for a parent or a caregiver not to report a child missing within 24 hours. So that went into effect in this case, in Madalina's case.
All right, Robin Kennedy live for us there in North Carolina. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.